Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering everything and enabling Bluetooth on the iPad. Put the keyboard and mouse into pairing mode, then open Settings and tap Bluetooth to pair each device. Once paired, make sure the keyboard layout is correct and the mouse appears under Devices. Change name if helpful. If you need pointer customization, enable Assistive Touch now. Doing this upfront avoids delays later and makes the next steps faster and predictable. Once connected, go to Settings Accessibility to fine-tune pointer speed and appearance. This directly affects accuracy when tapping small UI elements, so tweak slowly. Then open Keyboard Settings to assign modifier keys like Command or Option for shortcuts. Make sure they match the apps you use. For advanced mice, map secondary buttons to actions like right-click or mission control. Test changes immediately in an app because iterative adjustments. Finally, validate your setup by typing, using shortcuts, dragging files, and right-clicking in different apps to confirm behavior across iPad OS. If input lags or disconnects, restart the iPad and the peripherals, then repair. Make sure nothing else is hogging Bluetooth bandwidth. If problems persist, update iPad OS and any firmware for your devices. Updates often fix quirks. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle Bluetooth off and on to force a fresh connection. Many transient issues clear immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.